welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're regular, hi, welcome back to the Nuna Scott the Vlog Gang period. So today I'm gonna start off this vlog with some few haul thingies, Shein things that I got, my PR package that's on per period. So the first thing that I got is this apple cider vinegar. You guys know this is my go-to pills period. Got this cortex pads, that time of the month. Y'all know I use lilets, but like because you know good guys, like there's heavy flow things, ganja, that's on period. And then I got a PR package from Burnley. Y'all saw the y'all already saw the campaign that I shot, but I'm still gonna shoot. Please make sure to go and support my reel, like, comment, leave a cute comment. This is how it is when you open inside. So I was one of the July people that got this campaign. I was on the July influencer list, and then I got 4 tissue oil. I gave one to my sister-in-law. So we got the Bramley pink mask, we got the Cocoa Heaven, we got the lavender one, and also I got the magnolia one. But as I told you guys, I gave it to my sister-in-law. This is how it is. Really loved it. I really appreciate being part of the Bramley community, because y'all know what, I've been using the tissue oil since forever. Don't look how crusty I am. And then coming to the Shein one, this is how the packaging looks. I didn't get many things, as I told you guys. This was not my order, but like I hijacked someone. We got this bag. It's a power charging bag thingy. And then, oh my god, and then I got this bow tie, this white bow tie. Oh my god, love it, Sana. I've been looking for this like all over. Like I've been looking for this. And then also got this bow tie in pink. I got it in pink period. Pink girls worldwide, like that's on per. It has clips here. And then I got this iPhone 7/8 3-pack phone cases. I love them so much. Let's open them. So the first one says everything will be alright in this color. Love it, Sana. And then also got it in black. It also came in black. Everything will be okay. Everything will be alright. Love it. And then it also came in this pink. I love this pink so much. Like it's written everything will be alright. Love it, Sana. I don't know why I got this phone cases, because like I'm getting a new phone really soon. Amanzi. No! And then I got this bag. I've already opened this bag because like I was trying to shoot, and then like my brothers keep on disturbing me. But this is the bag. Like it's a handbag, side bag thingy. This is how it is in color. This is how it is. Love it. And then it has this string like this. Lovely Kedacha. Lovely Kesana. Period. So yeah, if you guys come across my sponsored video because I'm gonna create content right now for Brimley. Please make sure to like it, make sure to eat it up, make sure to comment, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We have a weekend vlog, a weekend Christian praying type vlog. Cooking and I'm cooking chicken, and then my mom will just cook up because like I was writing an exam and I don't know how I feel about it. Like, yo, scholar is not for the weak people, guys. Scholar is not for the weak. Hi bona. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to another day. Today we're packing. We're going to Good News Conventional Center for weekend away staycation, Christian staycation edition. I can't wait to take you guys along. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So now we are packing, and then we are going to bath. It's currently, let's can't judge, I'm still on my pajamas. It's currently 2:50, and I'm still in my PJs. Yeah, right now I am cooking for my family because when I buy a salad, obviously come on. Guys, have you ever fasted while cooking and then the smell will be like shakaka? Haibo, nagunglingwa, buting break fasting. Haibo. But anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to also fast for your things. Go to the you know. Period. Oh, my mom is watching my vlog, like. But anyways, I am done getting ready. It is currently 16 past 5, and we're going to leave the house around 10 past 7, I think. But I look scrumpy. I tried doing the edges, but guys, y'all know Nali the edges but we tried. But anyway, I knew how you felt about me. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing, thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you when I'm wrong. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been. Good morning. Good morning, vlog. Good morning, rise and shine. It's Saturday, day 2. And yeah, it's currently, I should, if I'm not my mom, but I think it's currently 8 o'clock right now. We have a service around 10. I would my move telling anyways, hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna do a room tour, because now the lighting is giving sharp. I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint a picture of me. I'm sorry, you chose. This is me looking all cute in the morning. But anyways, yeah. Hey my flowers, so welcome back to another clip. It's in the morning. I was trying to take a room tour, but I don't know if I succeeded or what. I was wearing the white jersey. Yesterday I changed the black to the white jersey. Yeah, period. No, because I've headache, like, depending on, but anyways, let's try to do this. Get ready with me. I'm gonna wash my face with yo, then take a shower, and then we get ready to go to church. We have a service around 10 o'clock. It's currently 10 past 8. My mom woke me up very early. What's your guy? Nani Angazi. But anyway, firstly, I wanna take fast, step fast. Little fast, but guys, I wanna catch up with y'all. How are you guys doing? I am currently good. Not in my best era, but we are trying to be there by the grace of God. By the grace of God. Also, guys, I wanna take a cute reel for Instagram. I wanna shoot for the lavender tissue oil. This oil. I wanna shoot for it, and then yeah. Also, I'm a fragrance girly. You should know that by now. You should know that. But also, I'm gonna take you guys through the place. The place is so amazing. Period. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Hey, book. It's giving what it's supposed to. Literally, guys. It's giving. It's giving classy. Like you're not complaining for the money that you put out, because hey, guys, the place. I mean, we are actually at Good News Conventional Center, period. It's around North Gate. I'm not quite sure if the area is Randburg or what's going on. I don't know. But just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming through to me? gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the shit, don't need to know. I'm not gonna use the tissue oil right now because I still need to buy. But I use this. I use the magnolia tissue oil. I'm gonna use the lavender because I came with the lavender one, and I told you guys I wanna create content for the lavender one, and that's on period. Hope you still liking, commenting, and subscribing with my pretty face without the oil. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call my own. Tell me that it's true. This is how it looks when you get in the door. Here is the bathroom. I think I showed you guys. And then when you move, these are the two beds. So this room is an in-suite. These are the two beds. And then when you move, you have this art thingy that's going on. You have the light. You have the light. You have the desk. And then, yeah, basically, and then you have the wardrobe, period, stunning. And then there you have the mirror, love it, Kesana. And then, yeah, that's all about it, man. Okay, you enter. Then when you go this side, we have the shower, spacious, love it, the bath. Yo guys, I was getting ready, guys, period. And the mirror is, yeah. Hey my flowers, welcome back to another clip. So I am done getting ready. We are about to go to church. It is currently 9:22 and my skin is giving what it's supposed to give. I'm wearing this I'm wearing this bonnet. No, I'm wearing this headband. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about it. What TV is on? But yeah, I'm wearing it and I look so stunning. Let me show you the lighting. I don't know. I think it's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I told you guys. But I'm wearing my, like, this sweater, my go-to sweater. And then I'm wearing this California trouser that I got from Shein. And then I'm wearing boots that I got from Josie. And then my bag, the lighting, my bag that I got from Shein. Yeah guys, that's all about it, I guess. Guys, my phone screaming for help, because hey bro, what's this? I was smashed. Hey bro. But anyways, that's about it for the room tour. Let me see if the bathroom is giving. I was smashed, guys. Outside. Move your way from me before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one? You're not acting like the main thing. I let you pay my number two. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere I know I can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Now going to church. They're going to the service, and I'm also trying to get content. And I was smashed. get none, bye bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with. Guys, I want to close off the vlog. If you've come this far, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yo.